So right now we're in our coffee shop's performative art / co-working space. On the weekends, it's really lively. We have great coffee down here and even sometimes some cocktail service. So I have a little surprise for you guys. I'm actually gonna show you how to make one of my favorite cocktails, the Espresso Martini. Now that our machine has been cleaned, I'm gonna go make a delicious espresso that we're gonna be using in the cocktail. Oh, so delicious. So an Espresso Martini, of course, is something very simple. Vodka, coffee, and coffee liqueur. So I'm gonna just teach you guys a little bit of a way, from a mixologist perspective, how to make a delicious Espresso Martini. First, start with some good vodka. You want to find a vodka that has kind of like a lemony scent because it's really going to pair well with the acidity of the espresso. A lot of the times people will think that you really need a lot of sugar in Espresso Martini, and sometimes they can get quite sweet. So what I recommend doing is first take your espresso, add it right to the vodka, and then just give it a quick taste to understand the acidity and how sour that kind of base is, and then you can adjust accordingly how much sweetness you need to add. So I'm going to take a little sip. Ooh, delicious. Since we descaled our coffee machine before, the nice thing is that it has a really clean flavor. We have no off flavors or any other elements in it, so it's a really nice, crisp espresso flavor, which is gonna be great in the martini. And just to add a little bit of that sugar, to kind of sweeten it up and bring out all the flavors, we're gonna be using a little bit of the coffee liqueur. We're just gonna taste it one more time just to make sure that we have a good result. You want it kind of boozy, you want a really rich, natural coffee flavor, just a touch of sweetness. So we're gonna shake it up. And you wanna really shake it until the shaker gets all frosted on the outside and your hands almost don't wanna hold it anymore. So we're gonna shake it really nice. And I actually got to compete on a global stage in Mexico City, and I was named the #3 bartender in the world, actually. So I've been able to travel all over to make cocktails and coffee for everyone. It's really cool. Okay. And we always like to double strain. The reason is that we don't want the little ice particles inside melting to any extra dilution to the Espresso Martini. Just shake it nice with that beautiful foam coming from the coffee's crema. And there we go. A really simple and delicious Espresso Martini. Cheers. Ooh, that's delicious.
Is that all right?
As a bartender might know, small nuances, just like in this cocktail, can make a huge difference in the impact of flavor. That's why I'm so lucky that I found this descaling solution online, because it's just making such a difference in my coffee, in my espresso, and that clean flavor that I'm getting from it is really just making the best type of cocktail.